Hey everyone, I'm Jatin and I'm one of the co-founders of NotionApps. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to restrict data based in NotionApps based on who is the logged in user. So on Notion, we have seen this problem time and again, wherein you'll have a large central database of, let's say, project or task, and every task or project is assigned to a different customer or client. And we want to share this view or this database with our customers or clients. So there are two ways to do it in Notion, which is one, create a separate view from the database, or create separate databases for each customer and client. This usually gets out of hand pretty quickly once the number of customers or clients grow. And this is one of the problems that we wanted to solve with NotionApps. We solve it in NotionApps using something called data restriction on your databases. How do we do it? I'm going to show you in just a minute. So first, go to your app that you are working on, that you want to actually restrict the data on. Then go to your users tab on the left hand side. Now I have my users database here that is already restricted based on email and then I have a couple of other databases here, projects and tasks. Now I want to limit what a logged in, the number of projects that a logged in user sees when they actually log in to the app. And I also want to restrict the number of tasks that a logged in user sees when they log into the app. So let's see what the user is seeing right now. So this is this application. I can see 5 projects and I can see these 4 active tasks. So right now there is no restriction on projects and tasks. Now let's go back and configure the restrictions. So I go to projects. There are 2 ways to add a data restriction. There are 2 methods that we have created. We usually suggest the first method, which I'm going to talk about now, is that you create a relation property from your current database to your users database. If you do that, you can, once you select this, so in this case, the users database is team. So you will be able to see your different relation that is in the projects database. So you can see this user icon that we have added. This is basically an indication to you that this is actually a relation property to your users database. So I want to restrict data on the projects based on who the project is assigned to. So just click the assign to property and confirm, and we are good to go. Let me just publish it and quickly show you if the projects are now restricted. As you can see, I can see only 3 projects, and these are the 3 projects that I am assigned to. Let's do the same thing for the task database. You can again select a relation property to your users database or select an email address property. We suggest email address property for in a couple of cases. Let's say you have you're pulling data from your users database using rollups or something on those lines, then you can use this property, or you can use this property on your users database itself. But for most of the cases and for fastest results, we suggest using the method which is selecting a relation to your users database. So click on select relation to your users database. Again, I see the user icon next to my assign to property. I click on confirm. And before I do that, I'm going to show you how many tasks am I seeing. I'm seeing 4 tasks. Let me publish it. Now I refresh it. I see just 2 tasks. And these are the 2 tasks that have been assigned to me and my email address or my user. And that's pretty much it. With NotionApps, you can restrict the data based on the logged in user. This way you can create client portals, task trackers, member portals, wherein every member, client, or employee actually see just their data and no one else's data. This keeps the data secure, makes it very easy to use, and I hope I was able to communicate it. Thank you.